I'm going to show you how to make this really lovely tomato and prawn pasta. It's low calorie but extra delicious. Get some pasta on to cook. While it's cooking, cook off some garlic and some olive oil, add some cherry tomatoes, a good pinch of salt. We're going to cook them down till they release their juices, so add a splash of water, cover it up for about 8 minutes, and then you'll end up with this delicious natural tomato sauce. Then go in with your prawns, and we're going to cook them really gently and just add a little bit of your pasta water. Then once your prawns are cooked and your pasta's cooked, add the pasta to the pan and toss them until everything is lovely and coated. And this is my favourite bit, is dish up time. And if you're dishing up, make sure you give yourself a little bit extra. You can sprinkle over a little bit of herbs, and there you have this delicious 15-minute prawn and tomato pasta. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to sharing more quick, easy meals with you.